Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You definitely do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of October 30th, 2024, our system has classified Intel as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.62. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep a close eye on this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently positioned within the lower segment of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower boundary of this trend, set at $20.05, be breached, it would initially signify a deceleration in the upward movement and could serve as an early indicator of a potential shift in the trend. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 6.38% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from -4.34% to 55.99%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it forecasts a -51.40% change over the next 12 months, suggesting potential returns from -68.40% to -40.24%. This equates to a projected price range of $7.05 to $13.33 after a year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline: Intel stock downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate after Wednesday trading session. The Intel stock price decreased by 2.62% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, dropping from $22.90 to $22.30. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.01%, with a low of $22.26 and a high of $22.93. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days but remains down by 0.04% over that period. Interestingly, volume also fell on the last day along with the stock price, which typically indicates a positive sign since volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 23 million shares, resulting in a total of 50 million shares traded for approximately $1.12 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $51.28, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price is 56.51%, or $28.98, below the 52-week high, and 67.82%, or $46.99, below the all-time high on January 24th, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel is poised for significant scrutiny as the market awaits its third-quarter earnings report, expected after the closing bell on Thursday. Analysts are largely pessimistic, forecasting a quarterly revenue drop that could mark Intel's biggest decline in 5 quarters. This decline suggests further erosion of its market share in both data centers and personal computers, raising concerns about its competitive stance against industry rivals. Since Chief Executive Officer Pat Gelsinger took charge, Intel has faced ongoing challenges, struggling to reclaim its manufacturing edge and ceding lucrative segments, particularly in mobile and artificial intelligence. Investors are reportedly losing patience as the company grapples with high customer inventory levels and a conservative order approach, which could adversely impact revenues. With expectations of losses for the quarter ahead, short-term sentiment around Intel's stock appears weak. Moreover, broader industry dynamics, including competition from leaders like Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, continue to pose threats to Intel's foundry business strategy. The upcoming earnings call is being characterized as a critical juncture for the company, requiring management to provide clarity on its future direction. In the short term, a disappointing earnings report may pressure Intel's stock price further down. However, if the results provide any positive insights or strategic pivots, it could stabilize investor sentiment and play a role in a potential long-term turnaround. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned INTC a sell rating accompanied by a hold action. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, Wedbush rated INTC as equal weight with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Benchmark assigned a buy rating to INTC along with a hold action. Also on Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Wolfe Research rated INTC as reduce with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, Bank of America Securities assigned an underperform rating to INTC with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Intel stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a buy and the price-to-book ratio also a buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and so far it has risen by approximately 18%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The Intel stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $22.50 and $22.43. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 39 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 28 days ago. The short-term moving average has signaled a sell 2 days ago. The long-term moving average has also signaled a sell 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 30 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 150 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 158 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel experiences support from accumulated volume at $21.84. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically trades at a healthy volume, and given the minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 670 cents, which is 3.01% between its highest and lowest points. For the previous week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.07%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let us briefly review some key fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may suggest that the stock is overvalued, or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is projected to be released on the 31st of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -3 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $22.56. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a pivotal point for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $21.84. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of September, 2024, Yuri Frank D conducted an insider purchase of 3,136,763 shares of phantom stock units. On the same day, Smith Gregory D also made an insider purchase of 1,516,102 shares of phantom stock units. Additionally, on the 27th of September, Ishraq Omar conducted an insider purchase of 1,306,985 shares of phantom stock units. Goldsmith Andrea Joe, on that same day, made an insider purchase of 1,254,706 shares of phantom stock units. Earlier, on the 31st of August, 2024, Gowell Scott conducted an insider sale of 2,024 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 1.564. In total, insiders purchased 440,463 shares and sold 421,731 shares during these last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Intel stock a good buy? The stock of Intel presents several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Intel will exhibit weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have formed a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion, downgrading it from a buy to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movement from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 31st of October, we expect Intel to open at approximately 19 cents higher, starting the day at $22.50. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We encourage you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Please do not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.